Hello, my crypto family. This is KL Crypto Show. You guys see, back with you guys another video. Today, I'm gonna do the ICO review for PlayChip. I always do best. Keep my video, content short, concise, and no BS. So please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a lot of love, guys. So first thing first, like always, disclaimer, I'm not financial advisor. The information is not investment advice. Please do your own diligent research before investing or trading. Now, we get started. What is PlayChip? PlayChip is set to become the universal token for sport, betting, gaming, fantasy sports, and esports in an operating business with over 1 million players on 7 platforms in 70 countries. Next, what is the benefit? Solve the problem. PlayChip mission is to deliver the world's biggest incentivized blockchain-enabled sports, community, and gaming ecosystem, set to disrupt the $3 trillion unregulated gambling industry by providing unparalleled trust and transparency, ease of use, lower fees, and globally fair betting environments. Next, we're gonna dig in on team and advisor. Team, they just have the decent team, not all-star. Advisor is also decent, but like they more about academic than realistic. So prototype, the MVP, you can see the MVP within the website, and it look really, decent and nice, for the, MVP. It really eye-catching. So roadmap is the next one. I look at their roadmap, and I can tell they follow the plan so far. They will launch Pay Exchange in December 2018. Cap. Soft cap is $10 million. Hard cap is $90 million. In my opinion, I can see like the gap between hard cap and soft cap is really far, and the hard cap is really, high. As an investor, I think this may be not a good sign. Just in my opinion, you guys still have to do your own, diligent research. Next, we go to the token. Total supply is 50 billion PLA token. Wow, it's a lot of token. And the token, like I say, like very typical ERC20 run on Ethereum platform. So for sale, they have like 25% of token. This may be a red flag over here too, seeing it like less than 50% sell to public. And they have 5 phases of pre-ICO with bonus from 10 to 30%. The ICO round, they still have the bonus, but it reduced at most to like 5%. So next, we're gonna see the hype of this ICO. With the community, Twitter, they have around 17,000 followers. Telegram, they have around 21,000 members. But we can see in Facebook, they have crazy amount of followers, like 2 million, around 2 million followers. It's no joke over here. And the hype is absolutely here. You can see it with the Facebook community. So partners, now PlayChip, they partner with 3 national rugby league, teams, NRL teams, So yeah, that's maybe a good sign too. And next we see about the competitor. I think like PlayChip have a lot of direct competitor like Funfair, Wagers, Fan Unite, Casino Con, and so on so on. In conclusion, my opinion, just my opinion, I think short-term holding is gonna be positive because the high is really strong for this project and they have quite a decent team member and advisor. Long-term holding, I'm gonna keep it my neutral stand because they have too much supply of the token, so the token price maybe not gonna be like the value not gonna be increased, at most at like the investor want. And also this market is really huge, but at the same time they have many direct competitor in this field. One point I give them the plus is like the MVP looking like very nice. I have to say it. Yep. At the end, please like my YouTube channel, subscribe. Like my YouTube channel, like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Donation link are below. Thank you so much for watching. Uh, like the donation like gonna be really helpful for my channel to grow. And because I always keep do a lot of research for you guys, provide a lot of value, and keep my content and like value like concise and no BS, so you guys can get save a lot of time, go straight to the point. And you guys should hit the notification bell to share my video, comment. I hope you guys have a great day, and I see you guys later. Peace.